Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your phone. Scroll through your feed or explore page until you find a reel that you want to share. Click on the three dots, More Options icon on the reel. If you see the WhatsApp icon, click on it. Select the contact you want to share the reel with. If you do not see the WhatsApp icon directly, click on Share. Select the WhatsApp icon from the sharing options. Follow the same procedure to choose the contact you want to share the reel with. And that's it. You've learned how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.